Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So, if you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, guys, the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So, go to the comment section, click on the link to our Telegram channel, subscribe, because we'll be putting out one or two information that will be useful for you there. Now, if you take a look at this GBPJPY, I literally told you guys that we are heading straight to level of 187, right? Especially, I did weekly analysis on GBPJPY. I think at that as at then, GBPJPY was trading at 185. I talked about heading straight to level of 187, and guess what? This gave us about 300 pips from Monday, which is day before yesterday, Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow that we are predicting will be Wednesday. So from Monday to Tuesday, GBPJPY give us about 300 plus pips. I talked about it that we are heading straight to level of 187, and which it did. Now the next level we are expecting GBPJPY to head to is a level of 190. So yes, 190 is our next target. Now see it this way on GBPJPY. This is the first impulse move. You can see this massive bullish move, right? The first impulse move to the upside. Then we had the corrective wave with drop. Then we had the new impulse move that took out this previous higher highs. You can see it took out this previous higher highs. Now this is the pullback, right? Which failed to take out this previous higher lows. Now this is the new wave to the upside that has given us new higher highs that took out this previous highs, right? That took out this previous highs here. Now with what I'm seeing on GBPJPY, GBPJPY still has that strong potential move of an upward movement. So GBPJPY currently is very, very strong to the upside. Now, will there be a corrective wave to the downside? Absolutely, yes, there's going to be. Right now, it is not doing that. It is not showing sign it wants to do that. It is actually not doing that. No confirmation that it's even doing that. All what GBPJPY is pumping up right now. So what we can just do is probably go to the 1 hour time frame. Since we can take a look at this to be this impulse move, and we see here to be the pullback, then this is the new impulse move. All you can just do is wait for the pullback. Once this pullback is over, then we can now expect another impulse move to the upside. So once the pullback is over, look to go long on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY is still a bullish move. Follow us on Telegram because we'll be putting out more updates on that channel there. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.